First, thread the cigarette lighter cable along the edge of the front windshield and tuck it into the interior trim panel. Note, route the cable along the pillar and door trim corner to the area beneath the passenger seat. Where there are multiple openings for secure passage, so that the cable will not fall off, or the passenger's foot accidentally steps on it. Guide the cable along the edge to the cigarette lighter. Insert it. Step 2. Route the rear view camera wiring. You just need to pull the sealant and use a small tool to slightly pry open the interior panel, and then you can hide the cable. The third step is to install the GPS positioning component. First, use a small tool to pry open the panel on the passenger side. Remove the strip interior panel on the passenger side. Place the GPS component in the corner so that the cable can fit into the gap of the vehicle's corner. If the cable is too long, you can neatly roll it up and hide it in this corner. The cable passes through the pillar. And pass above the front windshield. And hide it in the interior panel. Hide it. Reset the interior panel and side cover of the pillar. Reset the door seal. The fourth step is to install the front camera. The camera of this recorder can adjust the angle. Before installation, remove the red sticker on the back and stick the camera in the right position on the windshield. Remove the main unit. Use a tool to squeeze out the air. Then insert the recorder into the card slot. Align the buckle position. The wiring step. There are 3 different shaped connectors. Just insert them into the holes with corresponding labels. The fifth step is to install the rear camera. Stick it in the right position on the rear windshield. Connecting cable. Adjust the camera lens to the appropriate angle.